eBooks are one of the best and most powerful digital tools to have in your toolkit for a variety of reasons, whether it's just to share your knowledge or have a little passive income or generate more leads for your business or grow your audience. Whatever the purpose is, eBooks are incredibly powerful. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create one from scratch, beginning to end, step by step. Let's jump in. Now, you can certainly just sit down and start writing out the ebook if you have the time to do that. But today I'm going to show you how to make it even simpler on yourself and use ChatGPT to help us write the ebook. So we're going to start with the outline. So you could use something similar to this. Think like a marketing expert who specializes in digital marketing. Write an outline for a short, punchy ebook to teach people how to get started with digital marketing for their business. And there you have it. Now we've got a title, a subtitle, chapters or sections of the book that are broken down into each topic and throughout there. Now, you could go in there and modify this even more and say, maybe I don't want section 7, or I want section 8 to be up at the top, or give me something different for section 3. You can tailor it based on your knowledge base and what you know best, or what you want to share with your potential customers, or again, whatever that purpose is of the ebook. But this is a good starting point for us. And once you have the outline the way that you want it, this will take us on to step number 2, which is to write your ebook content. Now, again, you can use this outline to sit down and start writing your ebook from scratch based on your own knowledge, based on your voice, how you want that information to be delivered. And if you have the time to do that, certainly that is a great option. However, again, just to make it even easier on ourselves, is we're going to utilize ChatGPT to really write the meat of this book for us. Now, one thing I would suggest is from here, not to just ask ChatGPT to write the whole ebook for you. ChatGPT really works best when you spoon feed it the information and have it accomplish each task on its own. So what I would suggest is from here to say, let's have it write the table of contents first, based on the outline that it delivered. Now I'm going to have it go through and write each section. Write the content for section 1 and let it do its magic. And once that's done, again, you could go through here and kind of review and ask it to make any changes or expound on any details or add more context or more information to certain areas, or again, changing it to what your personal knowledge is and what your experience is. And I do always recommend to read through anything that ChatGPT generates. It has a tendency to make up information or pull different information that may not be accurate or may not align with your business or your brand or the way that you want to go. So once you work through all the sections and make the adjustments as you want them to be, we're going to move on to step number 3, which is actually assembling your ebook. And to do that, we're going to head over to Canva. You can sign up for a free account, or you can gain even more options on the Pro account. And I'll even put a link in the description so you can head right over there and be able to get started right away. And on the home page here, we're going to make sure that we're clicked on templates. And we're going to search for ebook multi-pages. And it'll give you a whole bunch of different templates that are in through here. And if you are on the free account, you'll have to keep an eye out for this little crown icon, which means that's only available on the Pro account. But again, you can always sign up for the Pro and get a lot of the benefits that go along with that. But again, we're going to look at this from trying to do it completely for free. And I'm just going to sort through here and see if there's one that jumps out to me. And it's certainly easy to get lost in all these templates. So I just recommend picking one that you think it will require the least amount of editing, that kind of matches your design preference, your brand the best. And I think this one here is going to do the trick. You can click on that. You can kind of preview, see what this looks like in here. And then once you decide that that's the one you want to go with, you click on customize this template. Now that's just a few of the templates that you have to pick from. But if you're looking to create a professional looking ebook that generates more leads for your website, I'm going to give you a free resource for you that is a set of 18 ebook templates available for PowerPoint, Google Slides, and InDesign, plus 30 customizable icons. So the design is already done for you. You just drop in your content. Plus, as I mentioned, it's completely free. So you can just click the link in the description and it's all yours. And from here, it's really just copy and paste to populate this template with the information that you generated through ChatGPT or that you wrote on your own. So we're just going to head over to ChatGPT, copy the title, come back and resize it the way that we want it, just like that. And then down here, you can add your subtitle. Add that in there. And again, you just want to resize it to the way you want it, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete the author name. If you wrote it yourself, certainly add your own author name. But for me, I had ChatGPT write that. And then we move on to the next page here. And you see this is the introduction section. So we go back to our prompts. We go down here where we created the introduction. Grab that. And then you just kind of work your way through each of the sections. So you want to add that, paste that in there. And if there's any sections that need moved or adjusted, you can bring those down. Right? You just make the adjustments as needed based on your content. Slide that down. And you just work your way through the book, adding to each of the pages. If you need more of this page, you can always go up here and duplicate the page to have another one of them just like that. Maybe you just want a page with text, so you could take this section here and delete it and just have a text section. Whatever you need to do to match the formatting of the content that you have. And once you're done adding all your own information in there, then we're going to go to step number 4, which is export and share. So we're going to go up here to the share button. We click share and download, and we download that as a PDF. Then you click download, and it's going to save that onto your computer. And then once you have this PDF downloaded, you can upload it to the cloud so that people can download it or attach it to emails, however you're distributing that ebook to your potential customers. And with that, you've now created your first ebook totally for free. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.